Sam, we need to translate for Huit in French. Bonjour.
As the longer time goes by, you have to open yourself.
Yeah. The question was, if you were a plant, Huit, do you want to be open? Kung isa kang halaman, do you wanna be watered, easy or watered hard? Yan. If you were a plant, yan. Yan.
Why not?
You want hard water or soft water?
Hard water.
Ay. Thank you so much. Hard water, okay na yun. Oh, may isa pang question? Okay na yun, okay na yun.
Oh shit!
Kapus Palad Community Foundation.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, Kapus Palad Foundation.
Tapos isang palad.
Good evening.
Good evening. Can you state your name, your motto in life?
Hi everyone, I'm Molly. My motto in life is YOLO. You only live once.
Pwede ba natin makita yun? Direct GB! Direct! Ay, si Direct para na hindi ako. Pwede ba natin makita yung YOLO?
Yung YOLO niya.
YOLO, tabi tayo.
Molly. May letters kay Molly.
Natutuwa.
Molly, from the subject of music.
Music.
Okay. Kung ang katawan mo ay isang kanta,
Kanta.
anong part ng katawan mo ang chorus?
Ano ba?
In English, for Hewitt.
If your body is
Music.
song number, what is your chorus?
What part of her body is the chorus?
Thank you for the question. Siguro po, maybe, the title is Flower. Bubuka ang bulaklak, papasok ang reyna, sasaya ng cha-cha, ang saya-saya.
Flower, which is very
Because the flower opens and
pwede ba
closes.
natin makita pan? Okay lang ba? Kung ikaw ay isang makahiya at hinipan ang iyong flower, paano ang mangyayari? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Words. God bless.
Thank you so much, Molly.
Balikan na doon.
Okay. Ito, gusto mag-artista. Nakita kami yun sa backstage.
At saka nakikita ko bagay.
Bakit nakatingin ka sa sa dibdib?
Bakit? Introduce yourself and your motto in life.
Hi everyone! Masaya pa kayo sa performance namin? Rachel Villa, motto ko sa life. Siyempre, yung pambansang motto ng Pilipinas. Time is gold.
Time is gold. Okay.
Gusto ko makita yung gold. Hindi. Joke lang ha.
From the subject of automotive engineering.
Ayun, automotive engineering. In English, automotive engineering.
Kung ikaw ay isang sasakyan.
If you are riding on someone,
Hindi.
tama ba?
Nililito mo si Hewitt eh. Kung isa kang sasakyan,
If
Kylie,
you are riding,
mas gusto mo bang mabilis ang biyahe o slow ride?
do you want it fast or slow?
Siyempre, slow muna, tapos sabay yung fast. Tapos siyempre, ano na yun, di ba? Ransa muna bago paspasan.
So Hewitt, she likes to go slow and then go fast.
Para hindi masaktan.
How long should the ride be? Gusto mo yun 10-15 minutes going to the mall? Or do you wanna go long road trip mga 3 hours plus?
Pwede namang 24 hours eh. Umaga, tanghali, hapon, o gusto mo.
Sino dito kaya 24 hours? Oh, yun. Sinungaling ka. Sunod kung Rocky ka. Okay.
God bless you, Apir. Yeah.
Thank
Alam
you,
mo naman.
Kalin. There we go.
Si Charles nag-beat.
Contestant number 4, Kylene Saluila. Contestant number 5, Clarissa Asani.
Eto, hinihintay ko, Tones. Nakita ko eh. Hindi kasha.
How are you?
Good.
What's keeping you busy?
Wala. Bahay lang.
Okay.
Do you have a motto in life?
My motto in life is, don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done.
Can we see? Can we see when you are done? Wala. Grabe. Parang si Direk GB, parang medyo relax na ngayon.
Cla, you said that do not stop until you're done. Can you show us? Do not stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Can you show us the face of a person that's done?
Oy, Crazy Kyle!
Huwag mo i-post yan sa online, ha?
Direct close-up lang natin. Huwag tanggalin na kami. Can you show us your face when you are about to get finish? Yan ang sinasabi ko, Tones.
Nakakita ka mapasa sa dito. Ha?
Question.
Question. In the subject of meteorology.
If you are questioned about the stars and the moon,
Okay. Cla, kung ikaw ay isang ulan,
if you are a rain cloud,
malakas ba ang buhos?
are you wet? Are you
Heavy.
Ano ba? Are
Yeah.
you heavy?
Kung isa kang ulan, malakas ba ang buhos o mahina?
If you are a rain cloud, are you super wet or slightly wet?
Kung ako ay isang ulan, malakas ang aking buhos. Basang-basa, bahang-baha, titirik lahat ng sasakyan.
Wow. So she said her
In English.
if she's a rain cloud, she's very wet. And right now she's just super flooded. Squirt, squirt.
Titirik. What's titirik?
Tearing, car will be
Titirik is like a bird that's on fire.
tearing. Tearing is when the car is underwater. Flood control. There's no flooding control.
Can you show us a flood control pose? 3, 2, 1, direct, go! Yan! Oh, shit!
Medyo may flood control ako dito.
Oh, pare. God bless the Philippines.
Thank you so much, Clarissa. Contestant number 5.
Ito yung mga kailangan natin sa Blue Ribbon, pare.
Next, we have contestant number 6. We have Miss Aria. Ang
Hindi nila alam anong gagawin.
I don't know. It looks like they have we have the tallies na. Okay na? Oh, tapos na. Okay.
Beauty, brains, everything all rolled up into one pattern.
I gotta ask. Sinong manok nyo? Number 1? Number 2? 3? 6?
6.
5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay. 5, 6. Okay.
Nahihirapan ang mga judges natin, tabulating